Hi, and welcome to Market Chameleon. In this tutorial, you will be learning a few of the amazing things our screener can do, such as quickly scan and compare thousands of covered calls, instantly evaluate covered call profit potential and likelihood of success, discover which covered calls historically made money on your stock. Let's start with the introduction of the home page. You can go to the Covered Call Screener from the top menu. Here you can find all the filters at the top of the page, and all the statistics neatly laid out for you in the table below. This table is easy to use, intuitive and logically grouped into 4 categories, so you can quickly find what you're looking for. The main table view is divided into 3 parts: option details, statistics, and backtest results. Option details shows the descriptive information about each option. Statistics shows a quick reference to the value and potential of each covered call, which is intended for you to be able to quickly compare covered call strategies. Backtest, which may be one of the most important sections when you evaluate the potential of this strategy. Think of this section as a window into a what-if analysis. You'll be able to see the win rate and average return if you had traded using a similar strategy in the past. The win rate tells you the frequency of profitable outcomes, and the average return tells you the profitability you would have realized in the long run. Ever wonder what would have happened if you just held your stock and didn't sell the call? Now you can make a side-by-side comparison. We added the stock-only win rate and average return. That's great for people that want to know what would have happened if you didn't sell options against your stock, and makes for a great benchmark to make a comparison to the covered call strategy. You have the ability to look at the detailed analysis of the backtest by simply clicking the Load link. This will show you the historical data and study parameters for the related backtest analysis. Now, let me show you a quick example of how easy it is to search for a covered call. Simply modify the filters, and the test results will be automatically shown in the table below. Or, if you need help getting started, you can use one of the Market Chameleon preset filtered reports conveniently located on the left-hand side there. Let's do a really quick search. First, filter data for all options expiring within the next 30 days. Select Covered Call Historical Win Rate above 70%, meaning it was profitable more than 7 out of 10 times in our backtest study. Select Covered Call Average Return Any Positive, meaning that the covered call averaged positive returns or was profitable in the backtest. Then let's choose Covered Call versus Stock Win Rate to strategy percent win is greater than stock only, meaning that the covered call strategy had a higher frequency of wins than holding the stock only during same time period. Lastly, let's choose Covered Call versus Stock Average Return to be strategy average return is greater than stock average return, meaning that over the historical backtested period, the returns were better to employ the covered call strategy versus just owning the stock. Now that we defined our criteria, we can automatically see the results in the table have been narrowed down. You can sort by market cap, covered call win rate, or any other column by clicking on the column heading. All the relevant data is conveniently displayed in a table, and you can download the data for further analysis in your spreadsheet. Once you are satisfied with a specific combination of filters, just click on Save New Preset. Type in a name to assign to this research report, and next time you come back to analyze latest opportunities, the filter is saved in My Saved Presets. Other popular filters. You can scan for a particular stock by entering the symbol in the search box on the top right of the table. An example, MSFT for Microsoft. You can create multiple watch lists and scan for symbols only in your watch list. Set filters around earnings and ex-dividend dates. Switch to Underlying Stock Parameters tab and select for stocks that belong to a particular index or sector, ETF, or industry. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to explore the other views as well. For further assistance, please contact us at support@marketchameleon.com.